Ayan guys, tingnan nyo naman. Buti pa yung ibang lahi namumulot ng basura dito sa beach. Samantalang tayong mga Pilipino, tayo naman yung nagkakalat. Ayan. Mahiya naman tayong mga Pilipino. Kalat natin. Ligpitin natin.
This garbage is from your country, and you have to take care of the ocean, the environment, the nature, the fish, the turtles, all the people, all the creatures who are living in the ocean. It's very important for all of us, not only for the people in Philippines, for the whole world. We need clean ocean.
Okay.
So,
Very well said.
and it is not very difficult if you're leaving the beach in the evening, before you're going home, you take your garbage with you and put it in some container.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
I agree with you.
good. So that's what I always doing everywhere where I'm going before, in Thailand, in Cambodia, in Vietnam, in Indonesia, everywhere I've traveled. When I see garbage, I take it out of the wall, put it on the beach, and before I go home, I take it and put it in container.
Okay, thank you so much.